The Wisconsin Supreme Court will not see an ideological shift this year when a new justice joins the bench. Wisconsin voters elected Dane County Judge Susan Crawford to a 10-year term. Crawford will join the liberal wing of the court, replacing Justice Ann Walsh Bradley. That means liberals will keep their 4-3 majority. Crawford says she is committed to ruling on cases fairly and impartially. She defeated Waukesha County Judge Brad Schimmel. Well, we are breaking down the results of the Wisconsin Supreme Court race. Every county shifted more liberal compared to the presidential election just 5 months ago. New at 10, Grace Hodak spoke with a political expert on why he thinks this is and the message one county in particular might be trying to send.
It's Brown County that political expert Howard Schwaber calls fascinating. First, he says the results are almost identical to the judicial election in 2023.
Janet Protasiewicz won Brown County by 51 to 48. Crawford won this time around by 51 to 48, exactly the same figures. And across the state, Crawford's margin of victory looks a lot like the margin, and the patterns look a lot like the patterns that favored Protasiewicz in 2023.
But in the 2024 presidential election, Trump won Brown County 53 to 45 points. So Tuesday's results in favor of Justice-elect Susan Crawford are an 11-point shift more liberal.
Counties like Brown County and other northern counties, which are traditionally conservative strongholds in Wisconsin, depend heavily on manufacturing and agriculture. And those are areas that are being slammed by the tariffs. As we're speaking, President Trump is on camera announcing a new round of tariffs.
Schwaber says this election shows some Trump supporters in Wisconsin are not happy with what the administration is doing.
I think a substantial number of Wisconsin voters used this election to send a message that they're not pleased with the way that prices remain high, consumer confidence is very, very low. Business confidence is very, very low. The outlook on the economy is not good.
Another key player in all of this is Elon Musk. The billionaire and Department of Government Efficiency advisor rallied for Judge Brad Schimmel in Brown County Sunday.
Counties like Brown were pro-Trump. Musk and I think Trump really thought that they owned Brown County, that all they had to do was show up. And they would win. And I think that was a big mistake, a big overestimation of how secure their hold is on that category of voters.
Reporting in Madison, I'm Grace Hodak.